close the white door. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Imagine this is your card. Imagine the color. Dalawa lang naman yun. Tama? The black and the red. Imagine the color. Now, I want you to imagine the suit. Ito yung card na imagine ito. The suit. Apat lang yun. The diamonds, the hearts, the clubs, the spades. And last, I want you to imagine the suit of the value of the card. 1 to 10 kung number, Jack with 8 kung picture. Imagine it floating towards my face. Imagine mo to, nag-float papunta sa mukha ko. This will only work kung magaling ang imagination ni Cassie. Palakpakan natin si Cassie. Sino ba dito magaling ang imagination? Pero
Si Ate Claire. Si Ate Claire.
Meron. Cassie, are you imagining it that this is the part, the color, the suit, and the value? Try imagining it floating towards my face. Now, I see Cassie's card. Nakikita ko na yung card niya. Nakikita ko na. Now, I will try to return the card to your brain, Cassie. Ibabalik ko sa'yo. If I can return this card to your brain, sa brain ni Cassie, guys, will that be amazing? Yes. Ibabalik ko? I think hindi. Bakit? Bakit hindi? Kasi galing na sa brain mo yun, tama? What if I can send your card to my phone? Sa cellphone ko lalabas, would that be amazing? Yes. Para visual na makikita ng lahat. Now, here's my phone. Unlock mo na natin yung aking phone. Now, Cassie, we do it. Imagine my phone. Imagine the card going towards my phone. Now, you blow my phone. You blow. Hipat mo siya, hipat mo, hipat mo. Now, watch close to my phone. What is happening to my phone? Is that your card on my phone? Is that the card on my phone? Nakikita? Now the card that was chosen, what was the card that was chosen? Is that the card that was chosen? Yes, yes. Was this the card that was chosen by Cassie? Thank you so much. It's now in my phone. Is that amazing, guys? Baka sabihin nyo hindi. Baka sabihin nyo hindi because it happened in my phone. What if that will happen in your phone? In your phone, would that be amazing, the chosen card of Cassie? Kung lalabas sa phone ninyo, guys, would that be amazing? Yes. Go to your phone, go to your Wi-Fi, and let's find out if that will go to your phone, the chosen card of Cassie from tonight.
Okay, tama.
Go to your Wi-Fi, and what do you see on your phones? Sa Queen of Diamonds, it's no problem for Cassie. Now, it's in your phone, everybody. Palakpakan naman natin si Cassie. Now, since I'm a magician, since I do magic, I can adjust